Hi, my name is Allison Ukagwu, and I am a 16-year-old currently enrolled at Maple Canadian College. I am passionate about a lot of things, including art, as it provides me with a creative outlet for self expression, and it also helps me view the world as a better place. I chose economics as a prerequisite for law. By learning the social economic factors, I believe I would be able to improve the judiciary system in Nigeria and get justice for the less privileged. My career goal is to become a lawyer, and I believe that my education at Maple Canadian College has prepared me well for this. The college's rigorous academic curriculum, emphasis on critical thinking, as well as diverse learning opportunities, have equipped me with the skills that I need to excel in the legal field. I've also developed analytical and problem solving skills. My pursuit of scholarships are navigated through the competitive scholarship landscape, which required extensive research and careful selection of opportunities. It was a very, very hard period of time for me because I had to balance academic work and scholarship applications, and it was overwhelming. And I barely had any time for recreation or any time for myself. But I would like to thank my teachers for being there for me and my mentors for guiding me through my applications. I have been fortunate enough to receive numerous scholarships totaling approximately $200,000 from prestigious universities in the United States and Canada. One that holds significant importance to me is the International Undergraduate Leadership Scholarship, which is valued at 40,000 Canadian dollars. This scholarship is a highly competitive one and is only granted to 50 applicants out of a pool of thousands of applicants. And I am extremely honored to be one of them. This scholarship was offered to me by York University, and I have decided to accept this scholarship because of York University's commitment to fostering leadership and its provision of a well rounded education, which aligns with my aspirations and goals. One of my greatest strengths is my resilience because I find it easy to learn from my mistakes, challenges, and setbacks, and I use it to my advantage as I find ways to help it boost my growth and success later on in my life. Something I would call my weakness is my impatience, as I get very upset when things do not go as I want them to at the time that I want it to happen. But right now, I am working on my patience and I am starting to understand the benefits of waiting for meaningful outcomes. I have gained valuable leadership experience through my involvement in various activities. For example, in my previous school, I was the president of the Zonta Club. Zonta Club is an organization that fights for women's rights and for gender equality. In my current school, Maple Canadian College, I am also a member of the SRC and I work to make sure that the students' voices here at Maple are heard. One of my biggest accomplishments is being able to create a social media account called the Global Portal. It talks about various issues that affect the world like gender inequality, climate change, pollution, illiteracy, and so much more. And I've also successfully created a petition for climate change in Nigeria. And this is a very important issue that is overlooked by the Nigerian government. Given my time at Maple Canadian College, I have participated in a lot of community service activities for the purpose of giving back to my community. Maple Canadian College as a school is very passionate about community service and things that involve giving back to the community. For example, visiting orphanages, cleaning up the environment. I would generally describe myself as a driven, passionate, and empathetic individual. I am deeply committed to making a positive impact in my world by advocating for important causes. One of my core interests is storytelling, as I use this as a tool for self expression and for amplifying underrepresented voices. One thing about me that no one really knows is that I have a huge fear of chickens. I know it sounds silly, but then I really get frightened by them. Hi, my name is Allison Ukagwu and I attend Maple Canadian College.